Welcome to Brainetainment, the place where we make learning about health and wellness both fun and insightful. Here at Brainetainment, our mission is to empower you with knowledge that can transform your life. Health and wellness aren't just buzzwords, they're the foundation of a fulfilling, energetic, and productive life. We believe that understanding how to nourish your body is a vital part of that foundation. Today, we will guide you through the process of creating a balanced meal plan. What comes to your mind when you hear balanced meal plan? Is it just a fancy term or does it hold any significance? Now let's unravel the mystery. A balanced meal plan isn't just a trendy phrase. It's a passport to optimal health. Envision it as a jigsaw puzzle where each piece represents a different food group. When assembled correctly, it forms a beautiful picture of health and vitality. A balanced meal plan is about more than just maintaining weight. It's about fueling your body with the right mix of nutrients. Imagine the immune system as a fortress. It needs a steady supply of ammunition, in this case vitamins and minerals, to fend off invaders. A balanced meal plan provides just that, bolstering your body's defenses. Moreover, it's not just about physical health, it's about mental health too. A well-rounded diet can improve mood, increase energy levels, and even enhance cognitive function. Creating a balanced meal plan is easier than you think, and we're here to guide you. Before we dive into the process, it's crucial to understand our individual nutritional needs. This knowledge is the cornerstone of creating a balanced meal plan that can fuel our bodies effectively and efficiently. Our nutritional needs are influenced by a variety of factors. Age, for instance, plays a significant role. As we grow older, our metabolism slows down, and our body requires fewer calories, but more of certain nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. Gender is another factor. Men and women have different nutritional needs due to differences in body composition and hormonal balance. For example, women often require more iron than men, especially during their reproductive years. Our lifestyle choices also have a significant impact. Those who lead an active lifestyle, for instance, require more calories and protein to support their energy expenditure and muscle recovery. On the other hand, sedentary individuals may need fewer calories but should focus on nutrient-dense foods to meet their nutritional needs without exceeding their calorie intake. Health conditions can also affect our nutritional needs. People with diabetes, heart conditions, or digestive issues may need to adjust their diets accordingly. Given these complexities, it's highly recommended to consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist to understand your unique nutritional needs. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific circumstances, ensuring that your meal plan is both balanced and beneficial to your health. Once you know your nutritional needs, you're ready to begin crafting your balanced meal plan. The first step in creating a balanced meal plan is to divide your daily food intake into 5 categories. These categories are grains, proteins, fruits, vegetables, and dairy. Each of these food groups plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy and well-balanced diet. Starting with grains, they are the body's main source of energy. They provide the fuel your body needs to perform daily activities and exercise. Foods in this category include whole grains like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole wheat bread. Next up, we have proteins. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues. They also play a critical role in making enzymes and hormones. Examples of high-protein foods include lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, and eggs. Fruits and vegetables, on the other hand, are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and keep our digestive systems healthy. Think of colorful fruits like berries, oranges, and bananas, and leafy greens like spinach and broccoli. The dairy group includes foods like milk, cheese, and yogurt. These foods are excellent sources of calcium, which is necessary for strong bones and teeth. Lastly, let's not forget about healthy fats. These can be found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fish. Healthy fats are essential for brain function and the absorption of certain vitamins. Remember, variety is the key to a balanced meal plan. The second step is all about portion control. Now, portion control might seem like an intimidating concept, but it's actually quite simple. It's all about understanding how much of each food type your body needs to function optimally. Let's begin by discussing what portion control actually means. It's the practice of determining the correct amount of food that should be consumed in a single eating occasion. This means not overeating, but also not undereating. Both can lead to nutritional imbalances and health issues down the line. So how do we measure portions? A simple way to do this is by using your hand as a guide. Your palm size can represent a portion of protein, your fist can represent a portion of vegetables, and your cupped hand can represent a portion of carbs. These measures are not set in stone, but they offer a practical starting point. You can also use kitchen scales and measuring cups for more precise measurements. But remember, portion control is not about being perfect. It's about developing an awareness of how much you're eating and making adjustments as needed. Let's take a moment to talk about the importance of portion control. Overeating can lead to weight gain and other health issues like heart disease and diabetes. On the other end of the spectrum, undereating can lead to nutrient deficiencies and lower energy levels, which can impact your daily activities and overall well-being. Portion control also helps to ensure that you're getting a variety of nutrients from different food groups. By paying attention to your portions, you'll be more likely to achieve a balanced intake of proteins, carbs, and fats, the three macronutrients that your body needs to function properly. Remember, portion control is not about deprivation. It's about eating mindfully and understanding how much food your body truly needs. So, as you move forward with creating your balanced meal plan, keep portion control in mind. It's a practical and effective way to ensure that you're eating a variety of nutrients in the right amounts. Portion control is a crucial element in creating a balanced meal plan. The final step in creating a balanced meal plan is to schedule your meals and snacks. This step is crucial and often overlooked. It's not just about what you eat, but also when you eat. Establishing regular eating times is essential for maintaining a balanced diet. Now, why is this so important, you might ask? Well, regular eating habits help maintain our body's energy levels. Our bodies function like engines, and just like how cars need fuel to operate, our bodies need food. Regularly spaced meals and snacks ensure that our bodies have a steady supply of energy throughout the day, keeping us active and alert. Moreover, regular eating times can prevent overeating. When we skip meals, we tend to eat more at the next meal as our bodies try to make up for the missed energy. This can lead to weight gain and other health issues, but by having a set schedule for meals and snacks, we can control our portion sizes and avoid overeating. Think of it as setting an appointment with your health. By scheduling your meals and snacks, you're making a commitment to nourishing your body with the right foods at the right times. And remember, flexibility is key. Life happens, and it's okay if your meal times shift a bit. The goal is to create a routine that works best for you. With your meals and snacks scheduled, you've now created your balanced meal plan. Creating a balanced meal plan isn't just about the foods you eat, but also when you eat them and how much you eat. It's about understanding your nutritional needs and catering to them with the right mix of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Let's jog our memories a bit, shall we? We started off by identifying our nutritional needs. We talked about how different people have different nutritional needs based on their age, gender, level of physical activity, and health status. We then took a step-by-step approach to create a balanced meal plan. Our first step was understanding our caloric needs and learning how to divide them among the food groups. We highlighted the importance of including a variety of foods in our diet to ensure we get a wide range of nutrients. In the second step, we discussed meal planning and portion control. We learned that planning meals can help ensure a balanced diet and prevent overeating. We also discussed the importance of portion control in maintaining a healthy weight and avoiding overconsumption of certain nutrients. In our third and final step, we talked about the significance of regular meals and snacks. Regular eating helps maintain blood sugar levels, manage hunger, and boost energy. Remember, it's not just what you eat, but when you eat that can make a difference to your health. The balanced meal plan is not just a ticket to maintaining a healthy weight, but it's also a way to keep your body functioning at its best. It's about fueling your body with the right nutrients at the right time. It's about promoting health and wellness and preventing disease. It's about taking charge of your health and well-being. You have the power to make a positive change in your life. It all starts with a balanced meal plan. We hope this guide has equipped you with the knowledge you need to create your own balanced meal plan. Thank you for joining us today on Brainetainment. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness insights. Remember, your health is your wealth.